Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve exercise problems on in statistics, finding the mean by using appropriate method. So we have three methods. By observing the class marks, this is continuous intervals here. By observing the class marks, if they are large, we can apply the step deviation method. If they are small, you can use the direct method. Okay. Let us see what is given in the question. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas of various states of Union Territories of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers. Find the mean percentage of female teachers by all three methods. Discussed in the section. So three methods we have to apply. By three methods we have to do. First direct method, assumed mean method, then step deviation method. By three methods we have to do. So I will do first two methods. Automatically you can do with third method also. So this is the question. We have the class intervals and number of states and taking as a frequency. Let me solve this problem. So what is given? Percentage of female teachers. Getting here percentage of female teachers. Female teachers. Here number of states. Number of states I am taking as Fi. So class intervals are 15 to 25, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. So number of states from 55 to 25 is given 6. Here 25 to 35 11 and 35 to 45 7. Next 45 to 55 4, 55 to 65 4, 65 to 75 2, 75 to 85 1. So this is the question, given question. Draw the table like this. Now first of all I am finding. First I am using direct method. Okay. By the direct method I am going to find. The direct method I am going to find the mean of this given information. Right. Right. Find xi. Xi means class mark. Class mark. Xi. Right. 15 plus 25. 15 plus 25. 30, 40, 40 by 2, 20, 25 plus 35, what is 60, 30, what is the difference? 10, so by adding 10, you will get 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, this is xi. So after getting xi, in direct method what we have to do? We have to find fi into xi. Now fi into xi, 6 to the 120, 7 3 is the 330, 7 4 the 280, 4 5 the 200, 4 6 the 240, 2 7 the 140, 80. By adding this, now find first summation fi. Summation fi is 6 plus 11, 17, 24, 28, 35. Now summation fi into xi. By adding last column 0, 2 plus 3 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 29, 9, 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 30. 1390 is fi xi. Now in direct method I will find mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula? Summation fi into xi by summation fi is the formula. So by substituting the values 1390 by 35, 5 7 the 5 2 the 10, 5 7 the 35, 40 means 5 5 the 392. Exercise 35 point. Next 5 4 5 6 5 7 40. Okay, 275.7. Now 7 table 2 7. I'm dividing by 7. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. 21 means here you will get 6. 7 9 is 63. So 227. 27 means 3 is so 39.3. 39.4. 39.4 is the mean of the given data. Okay. Now I am using assuming mean method here. This is by direct method. Let me check in assuming mean method. Assuming mean method. Assumed mean method. By assumed mean method, we have to choose one value among these xi values. The middle value we have to choose. So middle value means 50 is the middle value. So this 50 I am taking as a. So after that, after choosing the assumed mean, we have to find DI column. DI column is how to get xi minus a. Xi minus a. Right. So 20 minus 50 minus 30. 30 minus 50 minus 20. 40 minus 50 minus 10. 0. 60 minus 50 10. 70 20 30. This is DIs. After getting DIs, find Fi into DA. Fi into DA. 6 into 3. 180 minus 180. Next 11 into 2 minus 220. 7 1 is 70 minus 70. 4 0 is 0. 4 10 is 40. 2 20 is 40. 30. So positive values 40, 40, 80, 110. 80 plus 30, 110. 110 positive quantity. 110 is positive quantity. Okay, I will calculate here. 110 is positive quantity. Negative quantity 180, 220. 80 plus 100, 300, 400, 470. 470 negative quantity. By subtracting this, you will get 360 minus 360. Negative quantity we are getting here minus 360. Minus 360 is summation Fi into dA. Okay, minus 360. We got minus 360. Now what is the mean formula? In assumed mean method, mean x bar is equal to a plus summation Fi into dA by summation Fi. A is 50. Fi dA we got minus, so 360 by 35. 360 by 35. So 360 by 35, I am cutting it. Okay, 360 means 5 7 the 5 7 the 5 2 the 70 10 the point. Okay, 72 no point. 70 the 1 the 20 means 2 the 10.2 from 50 10.2 from 50 10.2 subtract 10 here 10 by 10 minus 2 8 here 9 4 minus 39.8. So this is 39.8. So approximately equal. 39 in direct method also we got 39 point. In assumed mean method also we got 39 point. Now next method, that is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method. So we will have this class intervals, number of steps. Next DI. After DI, after finding the DI, we have to find UI in step deviation method. So I am going to find UI. What is UI? UI equal to DI by H What is h? What is the common quantity? 10. So I am taking 10 as h, which is h. H equal to 10. By dividing 10, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is ui. After getting ui, you have to find fi into ui. Last part in step deviation method. Fi into ui. Fi is 6, 6 3s are 18, 11 2s are minus 22, 7 1s are minus 7, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3. So you have to find fi into ui here. What is the call? Plus 4 8 11 yes 4 8 11 11 minus 7 11 minus 7 4 4 subtract 4 from this, you will get minus 14 plus 22 minus 14 minus 22 minus 36 is fi into ui. Now I am finding the I am going to find mean by step deviation method. By this method, in this method mean formula x bar equal to a plus fi into ui, fi into ui by summation fi into h. What is a? A is 50 minus fi into ui is 36, negative value, by 35 into h is 10. Now using 5 table, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 50 minus 36 to the 2 6 are 12, 1 carry 2 3s are 6, 72 by 7, 7 10 the point here. 20 means 2s are 40. 10 minus 2 what we will get? We will get again 39.8. In step deviation also we got 39.8. So in this way you can find the remaining problems using 3 methods. First, if he is asking 3 methods, you can apply 3 methods. If he is not mentioning any method, you observe the xi class mark values. If they are small, then you can directly use direct method. Otherwise, go to step deviation method. Okay, if you get common multiples in DA. Okay. So I will give you some homework problems on this. You can solve the problems. Okay.